This is a quick video to show you how to program a remote control for B&D sectional door. Remove the controls cover on the back of the opener for direct access to the control panel buttons. Press the mode button repeatedly until the remote LED is lit. Press and hold down the blue close button. The close button looks like a big down arrow. Press and hold any available button on the remote for 3 seconds. Release. Repeat this action. Press and hold down the same remote button for 3 seconds and release. Release the blue close button on the opener. Press the mode button again to finalise the process and refit the controls cover. Your remote is now activated. Test it works properly by pressing the button. For more information, refer to the Quick Operations Guide at bnd.com.au or give us a call on 13 62 63.